Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Kia Sportage Hybrid 2023, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the oil change, air filter change, plus cabin filter change. So let's get started. These are the spare parts we're gonna use. Oil filter PG99518, air cabin filter CV12820, engine air filter PA99556, full synthetic CRW20 engine oil. So let's come underneath the car. And right here, as you see, it's like an open spot. Here it has the icon of the oil. We're gonna use a flat screwdriver. So here we have the oil filter to drain the oil. We're gonna take off this one. The same thing. We're gonna use the flat screwdriver. For this one, we're gonna use a socket wrench number 10. Right here, we have the drain plug to drain the oil. We're gonna use a nut number 17. Get your container ready. I already loosened it. Alright, so now let's drain the oil filter. So to do so, we're gonna take off this pin just by pushing this pin off, just like this. And now we're gonna remove this plug right here. There we go. Just turn it and pull it away. If you want to remove this cap, you gotta use a socket wrench number 24. There we go. Alright, so here we have the oil filter. So now let's clean the housing. Here we have the new one, the O-ring, the seal, pin. Here we have the new filter, the new plug. Now let's put the new filter right here. Now let's prepare the plug. This is the new one. When you insert this thing inside the housing, it's gonna grab the filter with this T-shape that has on this end. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This gets in this slot right here, and when you turn it, it will grab the filter just like this. So that's what you gotta accomplish once the filter is here. So the first thing you can do is just to insert the pin. And when you see that the two holes match, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it like this in this position, and you're gonna insert the filter. So when you insert the filter, the plastic pin with the T-shape is gonna get in this slot right here. We're gonna put it like this, and you pretty much gonna feel when it comes in, and when you lock it, just like this, there, you're gonna feel that the filter was locked in position. Once that happens, you can grab your pin, you can put the pin. That's good. Now we can put back the filter. Just like to clean. Let's put the new one. Alright. So just make sure to put the pin facing as it was before. See, that is the right position. Now we're gonna put back the oil drain plug. I'm just gonna clean, and we can change the washer. I'm gonna tighten. Be gently whenever tighten the oil pan drain bolts. You don't want to damage the thread. Now let's put back the cover, this lid right here. Let's put back the plastic pins. So now let's put back the oil filter lid. Here. So now we're gonna pour in the new oil. So we're gonna take off this lid. And right here is the oil cap. I improvise a funnel with this plastic bottle. Let's put back the oil cap. Now let's put back the engine lid. we go. We're gonna go to home right here, and we're gonna go to setup. Now we're gonna go to vehicle. Now we're going to convenience, oil change reminder, and right here remaining life reset. Yes, the oil life has been reset, so we have 100% now. And this is it, guys. We can do the engine air filter change. Locate the filter right here. So we're gonna take off these clamps here, and this is the air filter. Wow. So here we have the new one. It's very much the same. I'm gonna put it right here. Just make sure to sit the filter correctly. That is well seated. Let's put the back, this plastic thing, and this is slot right here. There we go. Back. Second one. And the third one. That's it. This is how you change the engine air filter. Now let's change the cabin air filter. We're gonna come here to the glove box. We're gonna pull off this screw to the side, just like this. We're gonna push the glove box from its side, just like this. Now we can take it off. We're gonna open and open the lid where the air filter is. Let's get the new one here. Put back the glove box. Make sure to insert the hinge. Take the straight on the side and click it back. There we go. And this is it, guys. This is how do you replace the engine oil filter, engine air filter plus cabin air filter in this Kia Sportage 2023. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.